Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Aiswarya Balasubramaniam from Chennai, Tamil Nadu in the Outstanding Entrepreneur category. From a self-taught baker to an expert in vegan and plant-based desserts, she blends passion, innovation and sustainability in her creations. Let us celebrate her remarkable journey with the prestigious national title at the South India Women Achievers Awards 2024.
I'm Aiswarya Balasubramaniam and my number is 67, and I'm really very happy to get such a recognition. It's more than just an award for me. And to all the women out there, be please financially independent. It will give you much more strength and everything. Thank you so much, and especially for Twell magazine and SIWAA. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the journey of honor, journey of pride, journey of celebration, journey of recognition. Welcome to the South India Women Achievers Awards 2025.